Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes-Benz GLC from any screen. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth's on your phone. So the Bluetooth's on there. And then we can either click, if we click forward, it brings the menu at the top, you've got telephone there, or if we click the star here, brings up the icons, onto telephone, click telephone. Down the bottom here you've got a separate menu, got to click back so it highlights it. Connect device, click connect device. Search for phones, click search for phones, and then start search. You've got to do everything twice. Searching for it says BT phones. A friend of mine said the other day, I haven't got a BT phone, it's with EE. But of course BT stands for Bluetooth. So there you go, Barry's iPhone, click that. It's looking for it. Bluetooth pairing request 497723, yes it matches. Pair, and you may think, why does it do that? Well, quite often if somebody's just driving past, it'll pick it up. Now you see there it says connection unsuccessful. I think that's something to do with one of the new iOS updates. But if you click OK, you see underneath there Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected. That might alter in future as and when they update the iOS. But it's